Page 28, Menuet. With this lesson, we're getting some more ideas about scrunching up and spreading the hands. I've been encouraging you to do that a little bit already. We do it a lot in piano, and then we do that in this lesson. So let's look it over. A minuet, by the way, is a type of dance. It's similar to a waltz. All right, 3 or 4 times generally what they're going to be in. You can Google minuet and waltz and read all about them and their history and all if you want. Let's look it over. It's 4 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major, so make sure you can do the G major scale, 1 octave up and down. I'll get it out in a minute. And 3/4 time. Let's minuet. 1 hand at first. Let's see what's happening here. Starting here, 1 and 2 and 3 and just reach out a little bit and then scrunch up because I want to connect everything right now. Reach down, then come down, then cross over just for 1 note. Now, I didn't change hand position, just 1 note. Let's go down to the last line. You're here. And then again, they have me crossing over for 1 note. That's okay, there's nothing wrong with that. However, since we're done, we're not going anywhere, you can just stay there. Use 3rd finger on that if you'd like. You have a choice, whichever. In the second line, when we did that, we crossed over and stayed there because of the notes that came after that. We need to be in that position. But at the end, we're done. There are no more notes, so it doesn't matter what finger you play the last note with, it just play it. So it's either 3 or 1, it's up to you, or your teacher will tell you how. Left hand, well, you're starting here. 2, 3, 1. It's about all the left hand's doing until you get down to the bottom. You're here, the last 2 measures. You're reach it down. We just spread out here and then here. Because all right, put the hands together. You're here. Again, connect everything for now. You get the idea? You put the hands together. I already did. Then go back through it carefully and get rid of the hesitation so it's a steady beat. We'll think about the articulation. Here, it's very connected. We're going to lift up between the phrasing. Lift up here, but not here. Again, lift up here in the right hand, but not the left. So in the second line, I pretty much connected that whole line together. And in the left hand, I'm connecting it all the way through, not lifting up at all. And then for the dynamics, let's gentle piece. Whatever you think soft is. Then you go to moderately soft. See that hairpin to go up? Stay there until the end of the second line, and now you come back down to soft, and you sort of do it again. The left hand, keep it in the background. Very light, very soft. Retardando there, the last couple measures, you slow down a little bit. Bach, I don't even know that Bach wrote this piece, but okay. They didn't put in the dynamics and slurring and all that in the music. They gave you the notes. And it was up to you to just know how to do it. So somebody else has done all this. And you'll see different arrangements or other additions to this where the slurs and dynamics will be different. Well, that's because that person felt it differently. That's why I get people interpret things differently. Okay, let's play this very slowly and make sure you have all the notes and the rhythms. Okay, I'll give us 3 counts. I'm not going to do the louds and softs. I'm going to play everything about the same. We're just checking notes and rhythms is all this is for. 1 and ready and go and 1 and